Okay, everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at this problem here. Given a is greater than 1, log 8 of a, and 1 over log 8 of a minus 1 over log a of 4 equals negative 5 halves, we have to find the value of a. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to use the property of logarithms, where 1 over log x of y equals log y of x. And so that lets us rewrite this as log a of 8 minus log 4 of a equals negative 5 halves. Now we're going to use the change of base formula, which is log a of b equals log b over log a, with any base in there. And here we're going to use 2 because we have 8 and 4, which are both powers of 2. So we have log 2 of 8 over log 2 of a minus log 2 of a over log 2 base 2 of 4 equals negative 5 over 2. Now we can simplify this to 3, and this is going to equal 2. So we have 3 over log 2 of a minus log base 2 of a over 2 equals negative 5 halves. Now we're going to do a quick substitution to make this easier to work with. So since we have 2 log base 2 of a terms, we're going to do that and substitute it as u. So u equals log base 2 of a, which gives us 3 over u minus u over 2 equals negative 5 halves. And what we can do is we can actually turn this into a quadratic. So 3 over u equals u over 2 minus 5 over 2. Multiply both sides by u. 3 equals u squared over 2 minus 5u over 2. Subtract 3, u squared over 2 minus 5u over 2 minus 3 equals 0. Then multiply by 2. So u squared minus 5u minus 6 equals 0. Now that we're almost done here, we can factor this out. U minus 6 times u plus 1 equals 0, which gives us u equals 6, u equals negative 1. However, we can note that u minus 1 will not work. Since a is greater than 1, this cannot be negative. So our only solution is u equals 6. And if we plug that in, then 6 equals log base 2 of a equals 2 to the power of 6, which means a would equal 64. Now we can check. So 1 over log base 8 of 64 minus 1 over log base 64 of 4 equals negative 5 halves. So we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 1/3 equals negative 5 over 2, which is of course true because 1/2 minus 3 does equal negative 5 halves. So our answer is a equals 64.